Okay.
Wananchi watukufu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, naomba nichukue fursa hii tumkaribishe Mheshimiwa Adama Barrow, Rais wa Jamhuri ya nchi ya Gambia. Wapi makofi kwa mgeni wetu, His Excellency the President of the Republic of the Gambia, His Excellency Adama Barrow. Welcome, Your
Luke?
Excellency.
Luke?
Luke.
Yeah.
Hey, Luca. We call Luke in Kenya is Luca.
Luca?
Zaidi ya majukumu yake ya kiutendaji, kitengo cha Wajir kimekuwa nguvu ya kuzingatia katika shughuli za michezo baada ya kuzalisha watu mashuhuri michezoni kama Sajenti Hastin Ngala, sasa afisa mteule daraja la kwanza aliyekuwa bingwa wa Afrika wa uzani wa taekwondo, na sasa Sajenti Edwin Okongo, mshindi wa mashindano ya ndondi na mshindi wa medali za dhahabu katika michezo yote ya Afrika nchini Ghana mwaka wa 2023, na hivi karibuni alihitimisha wanajeshi wote wakiwa
I think each set of strands has to be each thing has to be connected.
So can I bring the...
Huh?
Should I connect to one or... You will need this one.
Oh, the extension cord?
Then we'll use it.
Now you gotta fan out the tree things.
No, it has one color. I have to go and buy them.
No. Push the button again.
Wow. And the colors.
You keep pushing it and it does different things.
Hey, now I have a Christmas tree in the house. You guys do not have accessories. You do not have the accessories. The socks.
The stockings.
Hats. Just plain.
No, we had. I don't think we had stuff on it. I think we just put random stuff on it.
Like a Christmas card.
See how they're all bunched up right there? Like
Oh, yeah.
the one that you're on. Your hand is on?
Yeah, this one?
No. No, that big. Show her how to fan them out.
Oh, you want me to fan them out?
Yeah, you fan them out and then it opens, makes the tree.
Oh, this is great. The tree is full. Oh, the different colors are coming on after some time.
Now you're gonna get stockings.
And see the eggs.
The Christmas bulbs.
Oh, Christmas bulbs. Yeah, those things are expensive now.
You can always go to the dollar store and get them.
Dollar stuff?
They have Christmas stuff there.
Hey, I know that, honey. There is the dollar general on the other side. I know. I know I need how to.
This one, right? Nope, the next one. Yeah, that one. Now you just need to put
Jingle bells.
decorations. Look, there's a little bow. Have you ever made decorations with your grandkids? You can make decorations and put them on the tree.
Sure. That's a good idea. It is still time, right?
Yep.
Popcorn on a string.
You can do popcorn on a string. You make popcorn, and then
A needle.
you string the popcorn and then put it around your tree.
Well, like,
Yeah, like the Christmas tree.
wow, you guys have good ideas. Yay. I'll do it and send to you guys. Your ideas. Yay. Thank you.